What? Kaliyah.
This is me opening up a poopsie. You know how that lady be?
You gotta record her hands like a
You close open.
Alright, so I gotta go get my hair cut. I'll be back.
I don't think this part opens up. So should we start opening up these? You want me to record you opening these? Oh no, you want to do it. Okay. Opening up her first poopsie. Let's see what it is. I'm sure it's a special surprise. Oh, she can't get it open. So we're just gonna take a small snip. That should do it. It's a, oh my god, it's a banana head? What is that?
It's a banana poopsie.
It's a banana poopsie, guys. This is so adorable. The first poopsie is a banana poopsie. She looks like she smells good. She has a pacifier. Oh, Kaliyah's gonna break it. Oh, she took it out.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Was there something inside of her?
Yes.
Oh.
That makes the slime.
Oh, okay. And what do we have next? Let's give this a nice... Oh. What do we have here? Poopsie instructions or... Oh, I guess this is all the poopsies that there are to have. And where is ours? Is it there? And does she have a name?
Right there.
What's her name? Let's focus it. Turds of Paradise? Oh.
Turd banana.
Okay, so maybe she has more accessories. Let's see.
Banana.
She poops bananas. Let's get a snippet. Oh, Kaliyah doesn't know how to use scissors, you guys. Let me see. Get a small snippet. There you go. And let's open it right on up. It's a
Drinking cup.
a drinking cup. Ooh. So
It's
it
a
looks like you can... A measuring cup? Oh, okay. Oh, like a syringe type cup? Like, so you can like fill it up with slime and then squeeze the slime out. Ooh. Okay. And for the last surprise, she claims she knows what it is, guys. Let's see. Ooh. What is that? What does that say? Poop? Huh? Let me see. I can't see. Oh, poopy. Oh, like Oreo, poopio. That's pretty neat. Oh, okay. It's a label.
And
Oh.
you could just slime
Such a slime in that. Then it came with a unicorn spoon, you guys. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So this is what came out so far with the Poopsie surprise. And then we have this. What does this say? Unicorn sparkles. Oh, this looks like it could get messy.
Unicorn magic.
Oh my god. I've never seen unicorn magic. And then unicorn shimmer. Yeah, this looks like a great big old mess. Okay. And then we have, what are these? Instructions. Let's look at the instructions. Yeah. Oh, so with this, we can use the sprinkle sparkles to make some nice slime, glittery slime. And then you use that.
That is the llama.
Oh.
That's the llama one.
Oh. It's a tilt the glitter backwards and insert the straw fully. Oh, so we may have to take it out and then insert. Oh, it's soda. It's getting to a cup of water not included and slowly pull back. Oh, so we get the water and then we insert it in her mouth.
We need water.
Yep. So it looks like we will be right back, you guys.